So welcome to Zionfelix studio, where everything entertainment made ewaha Ariasa, but this is very, very important. That is why my imagine say and you might have not have heard it, seen it anywhere. So let me do it for you. Send was mama and yamin our friend on our mama say thank you very much. Say wabaha I'll be Zionfelix on this particular channel. There's a new channel, so don't forget to subscribe to it. Zionfelix TV is there. This is Zionfelix Studio. Now we've hit 12,000 subscribers in like 2 weeks. I had here more to catch you says Zionfelix Masaba Bium. Subscribe here. Me basi see me ba na Kuami Eugene sem no. Era wasem ba as a aboka. Yeah, aboka. 10 years in media. And we had my Easter way me call South Africa for just 9,000 Ghana cedis. Join me, let's go to South Africa. Let's go have fun this Easter from 15th to 21st day of the month. April 2022. It is just 9,000 Ghana cedis. Contact Esbrit World Travel and Tour. Let's go on this trip. I'll be back. Me back. Kuami Eugene can now. I got to work right now. I was saying no. Maybe don't come. Maybe Zionfelix. Brian Jimafo. Only say for the Kuami Eugene happens to be one of the best acts here in the country. And China I'm in the Dean Como. Last year made in Como Minikidi interview. And this year somewhere January there no have a conversation which is on Zionfelix TV. If you go on Zionfelix TV now Kuami Eugene Kidi Makabuma interview there. I did that. Yes, I made it possible. Kuami Eugene, Kidi, both of them on same set. Myself sitting with them, having a conversation. Very nice interview with the two of them. Yamiaduma March 6, Indigo at O2, Kuami Eugene and Kidi are performing live. First time ever the two are rocking stage. Or Indigo at O2. If you're in Europe, if you're in UK, Germany, France, anywhere in Europe, you can just go pick a train, take a flight to Indigo at O2 on 6 March 2022. Enough of the adverts for the show. Ghana boys, they are doing very well. We have to support them. So we have a free advert for Kuami Eugene and Kidi on 6 March when Ghana turns a year old. Indigo at O2. Now, what is it about Kuami Eugene? It's Ghana shit. Kuami Eugene come and bonus. So, somewhere 9 months ago, and Dr Kweku Oteng, and I just say, I don't know, but trim. I'm a so I'm for so he decided to dash Kuami Eugene a car. Yes, Dr Kweku Oteng Kuami Eugene car. Bronzy, who happens to be the CEO of ABN, Angel Broadcasting Network, and I represent here Dr Kweku Oteng, Mom Desa Kawe, Edema Ijimafo, and I said Kuami Eugene. I was supposed to be there, but I think I was busy, so I couldn't make it on the day of the presentation. It was a very beautiful presentation. Bronzy, the CEO, Chief Executive Officer for Angel Group of Companies. Angel has a lot of radio stations in the country. They have Angel 102.9 in Accra. Before that one, on Angel 96.1 FM. Abipo Junction, Kumasi. They have so many stations in Sunyani. They have stations scattered all over the country, all owned by Dr Kweku Oteng. Now, I didn't say that Kuami Eugene car because Kuami Eugene has helped him. Emra ode a donko energy drink buy yes. Ode energy drink buy Rockstar and a brand ambassador to a car. Vela, my dream car. Okay, Vela used to be my dream car. Why is there a Vela Range Rover Vela boot too much? First I name dream car name Boye, and I was a man tree never fekama. Say everybody that drive the car is a name dream car be. Still Range Rover Fraternity 9 a dream car. Autobiography. I mean I do my kakanga clever draw. So come despite I told Gatino one day we go drive a Range Rover autobiography. I'm laughing in my head at myself. So yeah, Dr Kweku Oteng dash Kuami Eugene a Range Rover Vela. It is not a joke.
We can pass here. I'm say hard work never goes unrewarded. You remember when you came over and we wanted to use you for the next level commercial and everything? There are some people you would call and they would be like, oh, this is how much I would charge, I would take this. You were like, good money. I'm yourself. Just carry on and do what you think. Anything you give me, I'm ready. And out of that, He wants to show his appreciation. Wow. 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 Rockstar. Are you kidding me? Rockstar. Rockstar. Start and put the double on. Hey! Rockstar.
Okay, so Kwame has been driving the car for close to 10 months now. I've seen Kwame a lot of times. I've even sat in the car before. Your co-program be many Kuami Eugene and a kid co-program be airport residential baby. Nah, I think it was a wedding. Yeah, this guy Stancast Kelvin. Kelvin, yeah, me Benz or customizing me Benz, man, or the car play shame or the light be shame me top Benz for no or spray kind of for Kelvin is a good guy. Stancast, he does all the cars for the big boys in this country. Shatawale, Kiri, Kuami Eugene, and cars even this girl, Haja for you. He does pimp cars. So Kelvin was doing his wedding at airport residential. Even Cheddar himself came. So I think he even does Cheddar cars. Kelvin is a big boy. I mean, he does car for the big boys. So just be a big boy. So Kelvin was having a wedding. Kuami Eugene was there. Kitty was there. Had a chance to drive with Kuami Eugene. Kuami Eugene's car was in the car. We had some few conversation in the car. That video is on Zionfelix TV. Okay, Kuami Eugene Kitty can. I'm fair. I'm on the like top. A beautiful car. Now, just this evening, me call Snapchat and go say, Kuami Eugene go say car. Kuami Eugene go car no. Minimum yeah. I don't know what happened, but Kuami can what you so be the tree no. So you go tree you like what crash car no. When you were vela no, Kuami crash car no. And I remember when we went to the France ambassador's house. Yes. When we went to the France ambassador's house, that's the car Kuami Eugene brought. He has a lot of cars, but I think he really loves the Vela. When we went to the France ambassador to Ghana, yeah, Her Excellency Anne-Sophie Ave, my very good friend, you call it, you know, that is the car that's Kuami Eugene. Eba Yobeka Yana ambassador and say, why be our chroma say Nipa Winshaneda, Kuami Eugene, and Kuami Eugene availed himself to meet the ambassador. Naka na Kuami Eugene say, I go to Chicano kind of basa.
Yeah. Sick. Press play. Yeah. Zion. Zionfelix. Zion. Zionfelix.
Okay, you watch the video, you've seen the video. Too much money, too big, too much money for Kuami Eugene, so they throw some of the money away. In this kind of bonus, so about money down. Kuami, so when you scan up board them, I did here. I need money to do investment. Fabrati, I was here. Vela in the for. What you could see, won't get you. I seen now. Why? Well, it's Kuami Eugene. Maybe he might not use his money to do it. Maybe a Stancast to do for him. Maybe somebody will sponsor it. But it's kind of go to go. Kuami Eugene say can. Now, Kuami Eugene, a chair second as a chess on a big boy. He like money and shit, money and shit. I want to start chess or talk about for. What get money? Oh, me have had conversation with Kuami. I mean, we've talked, and Nyamesha Kuami pa, and he proved say Nyamesha no. Not a show of some red car be one door. I'm sure it's going to be a convertible. Man, who can hear there? But I'm sure it's going to be a convertible car. Okay, one door and your one door car is not a convertible, but it's a very beautiful red car. One door. Man, who didn't hear? Watch that video. I say back home and I go I don't know, but watch the video.
What's the new vibes? What's the latest news in town? Yeah, make I hear some. I wanna see some. Make I feel some. Entertainment news, celebrity interviews, celebrity lifestyle, true story. Catching lights, giving us all the news that we want. I no go like Ghana, no go stop watching you. Ain't nobody bother in the entertainment news. Zionfelix.
Yeah, so that is Kwame's new car. Red, beautiful one-door car. Man, who didn't hear you? But that's the new car that Kuami Eugene has gotten. Or say back on Yahoo. You get money. He's a father, chairman. He's a father, Dr Kweku Oteng. I am not saying he's a doctor and a man. No, I've not said that. I don't know who gave him the car. And I mean how much of the car. So any day has any day, I don't know. But according to one, a new car. I want to congrats to you, Kuami Eugene. What the car for? But I don't know, Zabi. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. It is Zionfelix. See you. Subscribe. Tell a brother to tell a brother. See your boys Zionfelix this year. Now, this April 2022, 15th to 21st, I'm going to South Africa. Join me. Let's go to South Africa. Just 9,000 Ghana cedis. If you pay 9,000 cedis, your ticket is included, visa is included, accommodation is included, tourist site never going down to and breakfast is part. The only thing about it say on 15th we go to Kuami International Airport near to Kwano, near about 21st. And then again, your lunch and your supper is in your own hands. Over shopping, it is in your own hands. About your 9,000 for yourself or family member be a ticket, accommodation, visa, account. Mean you second, we've traveled. Subscribe to the channel and I'll leave it. Bye bye.